POWERMAX SSE 12BL. If you need a simple but effective tool to cut a workpiece quickly, a reciprocating saw is the best option. It's battery powered, so the worker doesn't struggle with wires or the need to find a socket. The tool is also lightweight and comfortable to hold with both hands and one hand. Its compact size allows you to work in tight, hard-to-reach places. The saw blade can rotate 180 degrees for convenient work above your head. There's LED backlighting for the working area too. The POWERMAX SSE 12BL is suitable for cutting wood, plastic, metal and other materials. The manufacturer is the German company Metabo. Another useful tool from another German company. The Festool TID18 is a small but powerful impact driver. It's remarkable for its strong impact mechanism with a long service life, durable components, and a brushless new generation electric motor. Its ergonomic design allows you to work longer in cramped conditions without getting tired.
I used to tidy up branches like this with my recip saw. That's until I discovered this. The ONE+ pruning saw might be compact, but it can cut branches up to 65mm, which are way too thick for ordinary garden shears. It also cuts dead branches, which are often harder, to a thickness of up to 48mm. Great for your annual spring cleanup. It's got less vibration and 50% more power than an older model. And with the help of this detachable branch claw, cuts are quick and accurate. It's light enough to use with just one hand. And with a 5 amp-hour battery, you can make more than 100 cuts. Gardening doesn't have to be a chore if you've got a ONE+ pruning saw.
WORX calls this the ZIPSNIP. It's a 1-pound electric cutting machine. Let's get it out of the box and into the shop. Or in this case, out of the blister pack. And seriously, this plastic is tough. It's going to be harder to get the tool out of its wrapper than it is to use it. Comes with a small owner's manual and a charger. It's 4 volts, and it'll take about 5 hours to charge it fully. The max cutting thickness is 1/4 inch. If you're cutting brown, heavy construction paper, toolbox liners, wrapping papers, making small pieces of large boxes for recycling, look, when the scissors are not heavy enough for the job, I found this ZIPSNIP is the tool. And if you're cutting something that you don't want to cut all the way through and score the bottom surface with a utility knife, the ZIPSNIP does the job. Recently, I gave one to some campers who had to make some team signs. They loved it. This is a powerful little cutter to add to your toolbox. Its lithium-ion battery holds a charge for months. It has a self-sharpening blade that ensures a clean, precise cut every time. That's just genius design. It's easy to grip and easy to operate. The WORX ZIPSNIP. Give it a shot. You'll love it in your toolbox, in your kitchen drawer.
Some are also created to improve the working environment. For example, Klein tool specialists have created an interesting fan for hot days. Its main advantage is that it can be fixed in different ways. You can use the clamp, or the built-in magnet, or the hang hole, or simply place it next to you on a horizontal surface. An additional advantage is the 360-degree rotating head, which means that the air will flow in any direction you want. The battery is enough for 9 hours of operation in slow mode, and it will cost you $50.
Hi, this is Todd with DEWALT. We're at NECA 2019. One of the products we're featuring here today is our powered cable stripper. Unit can strip from number 6 all the way up to 750 MCM copper and 900 MCM aluminum cable. The way the tool works is I pick the appropriate bushing for the size cable that I want to strip. I install the bushing into the tool. I then adjust the depth of the amount of material I want to remove, I twist and lock it into place. One of the features we built into this tool is an electronic clutch, so if the tool does wind up binding up on the material, the tool will shut down, and what that does is it protects the material, it prevents the tool from breaking, and prevents the user from getting hurt. To use the tool, I now just apply a little bit of force onto the cable. You see, that quickly I can effectively strip the insulation off the cable, and I don't damage the material at all.
EINHEL TEDH50. Here is a high-performance demolition hammer designed by the German company EINHEL. This tool is in great demand on construction and repair sites. Its functions include loosening and splitting extremely hard materials, such as asphalt or concrete. The TEDH50 has a modern design and many advantages. For example, low vibration, thanks to the vibration-absorbing handle. Convenient operation is ensured by the adjustment of the additional handle. It can be rotated by 180 degrees vertically and 360 degrees horizontally. The construction is robust and reliable. The demolition hammer is designed specifically for continuous high loads. The tool is not rechargeable, but the 4-meter cable provides an acceptable level of mobility. Impact frequency is up to 1800 per minute. It's a serious professional tool, so it weighs 27 kilograms, and it will cost you $720.
Want a bathroom that shines and a kitchen that sparkles but don't want to spend the hours cleaning? The RYOBI 18V 1 Plus Compact Power Scrubber will help you do just that. It's powered by an 18V 1 Plus battery to save your elbow grease, which used to be the only way to get things really clean around the house. It's also waterproof, so you can get it wet without damaging the battery or the tool. Just make sure that battery housing is fully closed. It's great in the bathroom to give shower screens and tiles a really good clean, especially the grout. The bathroom floor tiles, splash packs, basins and taps will appreciate a total going over too. In the kitchen, the dreaded dirty oven can be brought back to its former glory. Just check with the manufacturer of any cleaning products you use with the nylon brush head. And it's great outside too. The barbie can get the deep clean you've been promising for so long without getting your hands dirty. It also works wonders on flower pots, sheds, doors, and windows too. Oh, and don't forget your ride. It's fantastic for cleaning car wheels and car mats. It comes with a medium stiffness brush for general cleaning. You can also get a soft bristle brush for delicate jobs or a hard bristle brush for the tougher ones. The 1 Plus Compact Power Scrubber is lightweight and has a comfortable non-slip grip, so you can use it everywhere around the home. Get one now and give your home that spring clean feeling all year round.
N18 Force Logic. The last piece of equipment for today is a hydraulic cable crimping tool from the American brand Milwaukee. Its purpose is to facilitate the work as well as to increase the productivity of electricians. The tool crimps connectors on flexible cables, ranging in size from 10 to 300 square millimeters. There are many advantages in comparison with its predecessors. For example, it eliminates the possibility of error and over-clamping. The automatic control system measures the distance of the cable and the pressure continuously. Thus, the crimping is the same even if the cables have different diameters. Another advantage is the head that rotates 180 degrees. This feature, plus the easy access to the latch, makes working with the tool easier. It is not difficult to align it, and the procedure can be performed with one hand. There's also a smart force control. This means that when the operation is finished, the pressure drops and the green light on the tool turns on. So, the entire task of crimping the connectors can be done by pressing a button. The battery has enough power for 90 working cycles. The weight of the tool is 4.5 kilograms and the price starts at $4,500.